Alright guys, if you have a Mercedes, check this out. See that? See those ice? You gotta check your floorboard for ice because it will damage your CAN bus communication, like right here. See those ice? Yeah. So you gotta be careful with that. Even this is not a convertible, especially if you have a convertible, that will damage your CAN bus communication. It will not start your car. You gotta love that. Look at these ice blocks all over. Yep. That's what you need. And it will build up a bunch of corrosion in here. This is the other one that you need to watch out. Yep.